So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your problem when Windows 10 is stuck in restart loop and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is press and hold to your CPU button key and do this 3 to 4 times so that it will come in automatic repair. After that, what you need to do is press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard and it will open CMD. Now in CMD you have to type this command ipconfig//dns and hit enter. Once you do this, just close this and then restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.